I'm Russell Fraser. I'm Managing Director here at the Loch Ness Hub and Travel. So the Loch Ness Hub does many things. Our initial focus was centred around the Visitor Information Centre, but we've then gone on to partnering with Max to luggage transfers along many of the long distance trails. It's an absolute privilege to work with Max Adventure. Max sets a bar and we are working hard to try and match that. And I think that feeds all the way back out down into community. There's a huge number of bed and breakfasts, hotels, eateries. It doesn't really matter what it is. Tourism is everyone's business. I feel the Great Glen Way has become an invaluable asset to communities throughout the Great Glen. The way that the long distance trails walkers give back and provide so much employment is absolutely remarkable.